So as my transition shade, I'm going to go in with the shade Sandalwood, and I've done that just through the crease. I'm going to continue doing that. And this is the Stila brush in 30, and I'm using the pencil taped end. And I'm just going to run that through my crease and bring it up kind of like half, like up to here, not so fully, not that, can I speak English? No, not that it's fully touching the brow. Just want it. And now that my transition shade is what I'm doing, I'm going to go in with Man Eater, this nice cranberry shade here, and just dust it off. Same brush so the colours can fuse together. And I'm going to just start bringing that into the crease, but keeping it more towards the brow bone than towards the lid and lash line. I just fixed my lining because it's looking a bit funny. I'm just going to do one eye and then I'm going to do the other eye because this video will be so much longer than it has to be if I do both eyes when it's not necessary, because you can see one eye and how it's done, and then that's all you need to see. Now I'm going in with a smaller brush like so. Mix Cocoa and Bossy together to start really defining these colours, and run it through the outer crease, so where that dot starts, and then bringing it all the way through to the outer. And once you have completed that, we're going to go in with, and when I say with, the tiniest bit of this black shade, which is literally the most pure black shade you could ever see in your life, called Black Truffle, and we're going to mix that in with Cocoa. And you're going to run that through the crease line to start creating a shadow for where the cut crease would go. Great, so now that you've created your intense smoky eye of cranberries and reds and colours, we're going to go in with our NARS concealer pot in the shade Medium 1 Custard, and a flat brush that you apply your concealer with. So just getting that on the eyelid. So now we're going to grab this flat brush, and this is from Kit, I'm pretty sure, and we're going to go in with the shade Bay, this nice bone colour, and we're going to go in the inner corner of our half cut crease that we've created with our concealer. We're going to pack that on in the very centre. Happy with that colour. We want to start forming in our pinks, so we're going to go in with Flamingo, which is that awesome vibrant pink, and we're going to start getting that white that we've just put down, or the bone colour, to fade into this pink. Alright, so now for the lower lash line, I'm going to grab this pencil end of the brush, like this one. I'm gonna have Bossy on the lower, it's kind of meant to blank. The lower lash line, I'm gonna have Bossy, and then it's gonna fade into Man-Eater when it becomes more to the center of my eye. So I don't want it full blown smoky eye.
All of my niggas they train. I take a piece of your man. Got a long clip of my gun. Yeah. I bought a new Glock in the 30-round drum. You open your mouth and you done. Bitch, you paying for pussy, you done.
Okay, so now I've put my lashes on and mascara on the lower lashes. I'm going to go in with the So Fine Tarte eyeliner. So I'm just gonna create it's generally easier to do it with a liquid liner, just because that's what I prefer, but you can do it using whatever you feel like you want to use. I'm just going to push down so it makes that shape, and then same on the other way. It can all stuff up, and then just fixing it. Like so. I don't really know what lip colour I'm going to use though, so I'm just going to go squeeze that out and I'll be right back.
Red bottoms on my feet like my shoes got brake light. Fuck her and drop her off, no time. I'm like, what's that? Let's go watch your gun. Forgot my book bag at the crib, but I ain't forget to buy Dutch pack. You go like a nerd, nigga. Test me, you fuck. Got no books on me and just get paid on the ring right now. Red dog, don't take my man no more right now. Ain't like keep that comment up. Don't like keep that comment. I'm a road rat little nigga, yo. Don't like keep that.
I just used the lippy stick from Colourpop in the shade Tutu. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This look is very dark. It's got some pinks and reds in there incorporated into it, but with the darker lip it makes it look darker. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, click that subscribe button down below and the like button. Even if you didn't, still click them. Cool. So I hope you all have a very nice Valentine's Day with your friends or loved one or yourself, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.